I think this is a sign that today's going to be a good day.
It's going to be a real good day.
6, 7.
So you join us in the McDonald's.
Shut up.
If you take the camera, I will tell the people what's happening.
Right.
Am I in frame? Am I in frame now? Excellent. I'm picking up a new car today. This is the vlog on a bike channel. I'm doing a car video again. That's insane. Also, if M haven't got the camera, I've got to show you the shirt.
Oh yes, forced to do that.
Forced to look in.
I'm really scared because I'm going to forget to put the jumper back on. And I'm going to walk into the dealership like this. This is not going to be a fun
I'm going to try something new. I'm going to actually... I've never done... Oh my god, I've never screamed out done it like this before. He's just
I think 6, 7's ready too.
The food. So, yeah, we are currently like almost 2 hours in? Nah, maybe just under that. So, from Southend to Bognor Regis, which is basically in Southampton. So yeah, we're gonna have some food and then we're gonna get back on the road and we're gonna have a new car. I don't know if I'm gonna reveal what the car is in the title. I don't know yet.
Right, so you join us in the middle of bumfuck nowhere.
You join us in Terry Kajusi's front living room. Oh, it's so lovely this.
It's quite nice there.
It is quite silly. Oh, look at the moors! Look at the moors! There's so many moors.
Bobby.
We are currently 28 minutes away. As you can tell, I'm sure M is
13 miles, yeah, I'm trying to.
If you press a little
12
button,
miles, 28 minutes.
And we are in the lovely countryside.
Police! We're just feeling a bit officer, I promise we're doing 47 and a 60.
Yeah, it's actually 60 down here as well. That's the scary part.
I mean, it's not that scary. I'll do 60 out here, but like, look at that hill. Oh, mate.
It's lovely. Unfortunately, it is meant to rain all day.
So we're gonna have a shit time.
Yeah, it's be alright. We've got Quattro.
We've got Quattro, cuzzy bro.
I've kind of just sort of hinted at what it's going to be up here.
Hear me out. Just because it's a Quattro
does not mean it's an RS3 cuzzy.
It's an RS3 cuzzy.
It's not an RS3. It is not an RS3.
It's an RS3.
It's not.
I don't care what you say. Don't lie to the people. It's an RS3.
Yeah, totally.
Well, I will give something out though.
Oh, here we go.
It's Quattro. And it's an Audi.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys knew that. No, you don't.
Did you know that Quattro is Audi related? Did you know that?
Oh, I thought it was X-Drive in Audis. Look, see, the 4 circles. Arab money.
Arab money.
Rich millionaire, eh?
Millionaire.
Rich millionaire.
It's bad that I know the exact fucking video.
Yeah. Bomber Club.
Rich millionaire.
But I think for now, we can leave them to it. And we'll get back to them.
I might put in the title with the car. I don't know how I'm going to title this video yet.
I don't think you should give the car out just yet.
Okay.
I think we should leave it.
Okay, buddy boy.
Hopefully, he gets to drive out the dealership and I can film it.
Yeah, that'd be sweet. You have to drive out of the
Unless they're bitches and they just kept it in the parking lot. Then
I hope it's not sat outside because that means it's getting pissed on. I mean, it's going to get pissed on anyway, so I'm going to drive it out. But I don't want to be pissed on before I get there because that would just be unacceptable. It has to be the bollocks.
The bollocks. Ooh. Sorry, I just have to film this. It's fucking nice down here, bro.
It's lovely.
We're not in Southend anymore. You can tell we're not in Essex.
Oh, Polizia!
Oh, it's only traffic. It's fine. But yeah, right.
School zone ahead.
Oh, fuck the school zone, bro. Anyway.
It's transmission.
Zoink scoop.
Like Zoink scoop.
It's literally round this corner on the right.
At least there's not a massive pothole there.
Well, I don't know about that.
Because someone's got a bit of experience with that.
Yeah, we may hit a pothole and yeah, that was interesting. The whole screen.
The screen jumped down, we fucking jumped up, we were flying.
It's literally here on the right.
Oh, yeah. I think we went the wrong way, Chief.
No, go on, sat now.
Oh. Right.
we're here.
So guys, this is it.
Where's my car?
Does not seem like it's in there, Chief.
Oh no. Where is
Oh,
it?
damn it. No.
Where's my car?
Right. Well, I think we'll leave you guys for here for now. We're going to figure out what's up with the car and we'll come back to you.
Hopefully nothing's up with it, it's just out the back.
I mean, if they didn't sell it as someone else.
What do you mean I've already
sell it from under? Could you imagine?
God.
Mate, that would
Imagine I
suck.
just go straight for that fence right now.
Right. We'll leave you guys here and we'll meet you back in a minute.
A few moments later.
Right, so Tommy is on the way, but I am in his new car. Just gonna check that there.
Right, and here it is. This is my new car. This is my 2016 Audi TTS Cuzzy Bro. Cuzzy Bro.
Oh, it's 3 Cuzzy.
It's not quite an RS3 Cuzzy, but yeah, this is the new car. To be fair, when I first saw this, I wasn't sure about it being all black, but it is really growing on me.
Right. The story. Who sold you this?
Who sold me this?
Yeah.
Some guy called Duncan.
But I have noticed something. If you may pass me the camera, please. 1 second.
Also, red brake calipers. Oh, it's a sports car. It's a race car. Go on.
It's a race car. Right.
I'll give you the camera.
So, what I have noticed about this is...
This where you start slagging it off straight away.
No. If we pull this out,
Yeah.
if you move my stuff...
Right. Movie stuff, he says.
What's that? What's that? Huh? What's that?
He told me earlier. Oh, I bought a surprise. I'm not telling you what it is. That is clearly what the surprise is. I mean, it is a hairdresser's car. We all know this.
Exactly.
That's mine now. I'm keeping that.
Fuck you ain't keeping my hair dry. I need it.
Anyway,
Right.
Oh, I've just put my hand around for it. Also, can you
Rich millionaire.
Sorry. I don't know if you need to
Rich
see that.
millionaire, eh?
The Audi logo lights. But what I want you to do is press the funny button that does the funny thing at the back.
Yes, my bad. Right.
This is my
Are you guys
favourite
ready?
feature so
This
far.
is technology.
Technologia.
Technologia.
Oh, rich millionaire! I know it's just a spoiler, but it's my first car with a spoiler. But yeah, so I'm super happy with this. Let's go inside and I'll show you what the inside looks like. Oh, in we go. You getting in?
No, I'm just gonna sit out here.
Rich millionaire.
I'm just looking. I'm just enjoying it.
Right, so here we are. So digital
They
dash.
didn't do a good job of valeting it, but
Don't be rude.
So yeah, extensions on the flappy paddles, digital dash.
heated seats.
It has heated seats, yep, can confirm. I apologise for the little droplets on the camera lens. It's got the Bang & Olufsen, I don't know how you say it. It's got the upgraded speakers as well. Red leather.
He's trying to mug me.
It's also got, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, it's got the, I don't know if this is like an optional extra standard or last pocket thing, but it's got like this fabric stuff on the steering wheel. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, let's give you a rev actually. Can I rev it in park? I'm gonna, hang on, let me ask him. Can I rev it in park?
Should be able to. It has a soft limiter there, so it
Ah.
will stop at 4K. Do it.
Stand at the back and I'll
Right.
give it a rev.
1 sec. I don't know what it's gonna do. It will still go into soft. Go on. Massive, come on. Well, look at that. Oh.
Rich millionaire. Right, we're going to go put some fuel in this thing now because we've got like what, a 2.5 hour drive home?
Yeah, something
I've
like
got
that.
work this afternoon, so
Well, it's about 3 hours probably with traffic down the M25. Typical.
well, I don't know. It wasn't that bad on the way. It was traffic up here and it still went 3 hours. It was
Yeah,
only
but-
close to that because we stopped.
It's like 10 o'clock now,
Yeah.
so
Hopefully we'll be home by about 12, half 12.
12, half 12. Maybe if we find some good roads, we can stop off. I'll get
Maybe. Get
Couple
some
flybys.
shots. Right. Let's
Right.
go put fuel in this thing because it's about to run out.
Oh, look at that E5
I imagine
99.
the fuel that's probably in it has been sat in it for a while because this has been on their forecourse since September.
It's been a while.
It's now February.
I mean, we're probably going to go through all this by the time we get back home. Would help. Right, let's do this again.
If my grandmama had wheels, she'd be a bicycle.
Fair.
Look at the lovely countryside. Look at
Oh, look at the cows. Moo. Meow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
That is the car
Yeah.
saying meow.
Oh, look at them hills as well. Oh. Thanks. Right. So this is what we're dealing with at the minute. Well, I say we, it's mostly Tommy because he's the one driving.
I am the driver.
Right, how do you feel about the car so far?
It's fucking sick.
I like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
As much as I was pissing him off and having him on when he told me about wanting to get a TT, it's quite nice.
Yeah. Nice little phaser.
I don't know about that one.
Right, have me even framed a bit more, Cuzzy.
Sorry, Cuzzy. Your car is like weird and I don't want to smash the camera about.
There is that.
Oh.
It's so lovely, this.
This is bloody lovely.
Shame it's just absolutely pissing down all day.
Yeah, but I mean, we kind of still been having it. Because I mean, this is a 60 and we're doing
44.
44.
Oh, there you go, 40 now, it's 40
No,
now.
never mind.
You had
We're
to
doing
say
30 now.
Yeah, we're doing 20. Whatever the speed limit is, we're going to end up doing kind of half of it.
Yeah. I mean, this has mostly been the whole way here, so.
Where am I going? It's roundabout, by the way.
Left.
Left.
And there's a pothole in the roundabout.
So,
be careful.
sit rep. The maps in this are, as I suspected, not up to date.
Very far out of date.
So I keep sometimes going to grab the gear stick to change gear, and then remembering that I don't need to because it's an auto. So that's fun.
To be honest with you, at least you haven't done a bit of left foot braking yet. So
I
that's
did
quite
that
nice.
in an A1 courtesy car I had that was automatic twice. It was brand new, and halfway where home the tyre pressure sensors failed. That was fun.
Mate,
I am the stick.
here's the stick. Oh, look at this corner. Oh, 60.
That sounds good.
Not fast though.
I'm actually quite surprised at how good this sounds.
I didn't think it was going to be sounding this good, but
Oh, my spoiler's gone down. Come back up. Yeah, spoiler.
oh, it is. Look at that rich millionaire. eh?
Spoiler.
Rich millionaire. To be fair, this is quite good to film out the back.
Yeah, I can set the GoPro up at some point. We'll have to see. We'll have to go through the Dartford tunnel later and see how it sounds.
A few inches later.
Look, another Cuzzy bro has crashed it.
Oh, rip Cuzzy.
Rip Cuzzy bro. Why didn't he cover the plate though, the car? I don't get
I
it.
think they have to.
They have to. The camera gets confused otherwise.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Because what if the guy's speeding and then the car gets a fine? But I guess they wouldn't send it to the...
Well, you just did a picture and show us on a flatbed, I guess.
Yeah.
Right,
Did you see the...
Oh, that time's gone red. Just where I didn't go that fucking one. Oh, they're clearly doing
Some work to it.
they're gonna let all the tankers through.
Yeah. Nyom. Nyom.
Wait, is it gone? There we go. Right, get ready. All right. So
Well, I'm already recording, so... It's kind of recording the entrance to it.
Once we're in, I'll drop the windows.
Yes, get in.
Should I do them fully or just a little bit?
I'd probably do them fully personally.
Alright.
Yeah. Right. sounds mega.
It is 50 in there, isn't it?
It should be, yeah. Would you like to tell the people where we have made it to?
Made it home, almost. I'm tired, I haven't slept, and I've got work. Hell.
Yeah, so he's going to work in roughly 2 hours, 2.5 hours. He has to be at work. And he's still got to drop me back, then go home.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Please stay for it. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'm gonna stay for it.
Boy.
Good
Yeah.
lights.
Well, that was us getting the car. We'll
More
probably get...
content to follow of this car. This Fiesta.
Yeah.
What is this Fiesta playing at? Just kept racing up in my mirror. What a dig.
Go on, mate, hit us. Go on, I dare you. Got the camera out. There. That was us getting the car. That was a bit of a clip.
It's this nice car, please. I'm actually very happy with it. I'll do a proper video talking about the car and why I got it and stuff. But this is just sort of the short, funny look.
Short, funny. Oh, look. Someone's got a new car.
What's the TTS in there? That's no.
I just called it red paint. That's all I did.
This one's bare. That one's red with silver. This is black on black.
Let's not forget this one is black. Look at that. Red stitching. Oh.
Oh yeah.
And the bright red seats. S-line.
And they're heated and they're very nice.
Very nice. Heated.
Outside.
And no cooling though, bitches.
How does that work? Is it cooling?
But it has a fan for it and then it just...
Oh really?
Cold air, yeah.
Oh.
It's quite fancy. But
Just put the aircon on.
you have to, no, you have to have the perforated seats
Oh,
for it to work. These are not perforated, I can tell you that much. There, right.